As you guys learned from the previous lesson, the eyelash extensions are classified by length, by curl, and by thickness. With that being said, the variety of eyelash extensions on the market allows us to be creative and satisfy our customers' needs. Either it's just a classic set or a volume set or a mix of different eyelash extensions. So today we're going to talk about sets. So you're going to learn about the most popular FABU eyelash extension sets. Classic set means that one individual eyelash extension is attached to one natural eyelash of a customer. Classic set does not add extra volume. The fullness of the classic set depends on how many natural eyelashes the customer has. This set is the best for customers who don't want any extra volume or for the customers that get in eyelash extensions for the first time. Make sure to analyze your customer's lashes before making a decision. Sometimes customers have gaps between lashes or very sparse lashes. Classic set will make it even more noticeable, so make sure to explain that to your customer. You can even take pictures and show it to them. However, if a customer insists on getting a classic set, just do the best you can. Soft Glam or 2D set. Soft Glam means there are two eyelashes in a fan attached to one natural eyelash of a customer. It doubles the volume of customers' natural lashes. We call this set Soft Glam because it's best for the customers that want a little more volume, for those who like the classic look but naturally don't have a lot of eyelashes. Hybrid set is a mixture of Russian volume 3Ds and classic eyelash extensions. As you guys learned before, we just alternate volumes and individuals. Hybrid set creates perfect balance of full yet natural look. 3D fans give this set some fluffiness, while classic individuals make this set look pretty light. Frisky Wispy set is a mixture of classic eyelash extensions and 5D Russian volume fans. The 5D fans are 2 mm shorter than classic individuals. This mix creates a perfect and wispy, voluminous look. At our FABU salons, we also offer 3D, 4D, and 5D Russian volume sets, depending on how much of a volume customer wants. Russian volume set is great for customers who like their lashes to look very full, or for those who don't have a lot of natural lashes and have some balding spots. Our Drama Queen set is the most complex, yet it's very beautiful. It is a mixture of classic individuals, 3D volumes, and 5D volume fans. Classic individuals are the longest in this set. 3D fans are 1 mm shorter, and 5D fans are 1 mm shorter than 3D fans. Classic lashes give this set a wispy look, while 3D fans create fluffiness and 5D fans create fullness. This set is great for clients who want to go out all the way. They want dramatic, voluminous, and wispy look. Remember to always analyze your customer's natural lashes and properly pick length, curl, and thickness, and discuss it with your customer and suggest the best options. You're welcome to take the blueprints and use them yourself, or you can also come up with the new ones and let us know.